Hey, what are you doing?
I'm buying a new camera.
Right now?
Yeah. Well, like soon, in like 30 minutes.
Oh. Where are you like right now?
Buy house.
Oh, okay.
Why?
I was just at the office, so I'm just asking.
Well, I'm gonna buy it.
Okay, gotta show that I gotta go. Bye.
That's it.
Freaking, he's not buying his camera today. He's not buying his camera today. We're going freaking skydiving.
Bro, that's like a $3,000 camera.
I could kill us. We're not buying that camera today. We're going freaking skydiving. We gotta go! Slav doesn't know we're coming. Let's go. We're just gonna grab it. She said, wait by the car.
Are we gonna be here for like hours? Let's put them in the trunk. How do we know when city coming?
What, Nick?
He's gonna be awkward. Who's gonna be grabbing what? Like,
It's a trap!
He was gonna buy a camera. Sucks for him.
A bag.
That was so exciting.
We got him good. We got him good.
Sorry, I didn't text you.
Put a bag on
He was gonna go the other way.
You didn't.
You don't have to listen to us.
I need to buy a camera.
no, you're not buying a camera today.
It's okay. Hey, the camera guy was in on it. Suited up. We're about to do this. Any last wishes? That's his last wish. I'm running.
There's a name tag in the bag just in case you get lost.
I would stare in her eyes. I never not once, no, never not once saw me. I never not once saw me. Never not once saw me.
Nice pants are now all green. Yes.
Have a nice day.
All right. So now that we kidnapped him, where are we gonna go?
So dear.